today's demo, I'm going to be honest. We got this tool in, and I was like, okay, it's another tool. I don't know. And Barb said, please demo it. And I said, okay. So I took it home yesterday and played with it. And I'm like, this is actually kind of cool. And because it's cool, it might have to go home with me too. So I'm just going to show you the different colors it comes in that we have in stock. We have this darling pink and this turquoise color, aqua, I don't know, a deep purple, a lime green, and then a light lavender. And this is called the Blade Saver Thread Cutter. And this is a way to use your old rotary blades. So I'm going to take this out. It comes out, it looks like this, all right, in the thing. And then it has instructions for putting it all together. And it's actually a no-brainer. If you can look at pictures, you can do it. So the cool thing, first I thought that this was the blade holder, this bottom part, but it's just the case bottom. So when you open it, and this is magnetized. See these magnets here and here? These are magnetized. So it will hold together and protect everything. This is the actual blade holder, and this is a 2-piece, and you need a Phillips screwdriver, an old, I'm not going to touch it right now, an old rotary blade, and this is how hard it is to put together, or easy. It's really not hard at all. You're going to put your screwdriver in, and of course undo your screw. Da, da, da. And it's like, can I be mechanical on screen? And then you have these 2 pieces. This bottom is the blade holder. This little piece right here is going to go back inside, oops, this hole right there. It's going to go in there when we're done. Carefully put your blade in right there, and it just drops right into place. And then I just set this back down on that little, I don't know what it is. It's not a screw, but whatever that is. And then this piece just drops right back in onto that, and you're going to take your little screw, and I found I had to kind of finger tighten it just a little bit to keep it going in level. See, this is where we get problems with being mechanical on screen. And then just screw it into place like this. Screw, 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 tighten, tighten, tighten. And now you put your 2 pieces together. Remember, they're magnetized. They go like this. And you hold your blade holder, and you're just going to push it in to that slot like that. And that is all there is to putting it together. But now we're going to use it to separate our things. Now I have several Flying Geese blocks that I'm making for a shop sample, and they are chain pieced. You can see there's thread in between each one. They're held together, and this is how fast this works. I thought this was faster than scissors, actually, and it just cuts them just this fast. And there's my ender right there, and I'm done and ready to go press them. I was impressed with how fast this was, and I'm going to say it because I had been doing a bunch of chain piecing, and my scissors, I just got so tired of the scissors. This was more fun than using scissors. It's also faster. So now when I'm ready to go to a class or travel, all I have to do is pop this blade holder out, open this up, put this back in just like that, and it's all protected and, whoops, get my holes lined up, ready to go to class. Nothing's going to get touched, nothing's going to get cut. Super transportable, really easy, and a good tool. I think it is actually a really good tool. So I recommend everybody get one. That's what I think. You can take my 2 cents for it. I think that's a good 2 cents.